You okay there, champ? Okay. Yeah.
Remy? Maybe not with the climbing. Yep.
I can play with the light switch all by myself. So, time to move the ottoman.
Mm-hmm. Hey, Remy. What you doing, you mess?
Uh-huh. Alright, there. You gotta push that part, buddy.
Well, he turned it back on himself, so...
I know, he can turn it on, but at a certain point he turns it off and, like, he doesn't want to turn it back on anymore.
Mm-hmm.
Nope. Okay.
Okay, no attacking the pictures.
Okay, we're gonna put you down here again.
Yeah, that ottoman's got to go.
You're making sure you don't kill yourself.
What are you doing? Uh-huh. You are just the danger to yourself and others. All right. Big smile. Hey, buddy. Hey, Remy. Hi. Hi, upside down, baby. Oh.